Hey there, I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow cookies using only marshmallows. You can, if you're not allergic to soy, put a Hershey's Kiss in the center. It's really simple. It's just something I made up late night recently. I've been trying to get calories down because my weight is an issue. And I very easily go into ketosis. So I kind of have the opposite problem everybody else. So anyway, I use Kraft jet puffed marshmallows, and I've tried it with other brands and they just don't crisp up. And this is parchment paper in the microwave, and I'm going to make 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And 1 minute. 1 minute for this microwave. I think I'm going to pick up the camera and let you look at what it looks like, because it's just kind of fun watching these things puff up. Ooh, getting big, but not nearly big enough. There they go. And I take them just to the point where they're starting to burn, but haven't fully burnt yet. So for this microwave, it's about a minute. Parchment paper is kind of important, because otherwise it will stick onto whatever you have it on. Okay. Now I'm going to have to, because I just messed up my setup, I'm going to pull them out so you can see what they look like. So they are beginning to deflate, and you want to let them cool completely. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will show you once they've completely cooled. And I like putting them on the countertop because it's cool and it helps speed up the process. And these, they do get sticky if you don't eat them right away, so yeah, you have a window of like 10 or 15 minutes where they're nice and crispy. Okay, I'm going to pause. Hello, I'm back. So these have cooled completely. This one's maybe ever so slightly warm, so I'll start here. And then you just basically peel them off. And now they are these crispy, crunchy cookies. And they crumble in your mouth. They taste awesome.